This is just a quick video to give you an introduction of how to use Access with this Module 3 assignment. A couple of students had a little bit of problem with the Excel. It's not really that hard to do it with Excel, but it is a lot easier to do with Access. There's a lot of information online on how to use Microsoft Access, but I thought I'll just do a quick video just to show you real quick how you can get started with this assignment if it will help you. So you want to make sure to download the database, which is right here. So you just click on this and it will download it to your downloads folder. So if you go here, here's my downloads folder right here, and there's a database right there. Now, if you've installed Office 365, which you can get for free, and there's a link right up here at the top, Office 365 for students. You click on that, and you can download the Office 365 for free if you haven't already. But with that, you will have a copy of Microsoft Access. And what Access is the database application. So for me, I have it installed on my computer, so I'm just going to type in Access, and I get the Access app here. And so if you open up the Access application, you just click Blank Database. And it's going to say, where do you want to create this database at? And what do you want to name it? So I'm just going to name it Assignment 3. And I'm going to the default location is in my documents, but I can also put it anywhere I want. All right, so I'm just going to keep it here in documents. I'm just going to click create. Okay, so I have this first table here, and what I need to do is I need to actually get my data in here. So I don't really need this table here, but I can click here on external data, new data source, from database, access. And then when I go here, it says, well, browse to find the database that you want. So if I go to my downloads, it's going to be right here. Okay, that HRDB, just click on that, click open, and then click OK. Now here, you want to make sure to select all the tables. Just go select all, click OK. And you can close this. These are all the tables that you need for your database. You're pretty much almost done. Now you go and click Create, and Query Wizard, actually I'm sorry, Query Design right here. And you can actually close this right here. And you can come here, and under View, you may have it at SQL View, or it may be a Design View. But make sure to click it over to SQL View, just like that. And that's going to give you a screen where you can write your queries. Now, the queries are explained in the video, so I'm not going to go through all the queries, but I will go through the first one just to show you what you can do. So if we open up what we're supposed to do here, it says list all the countries, or I'm sorry, list all regions in the company. Okay, so if I close this out, that is going to be a select query. So I write select star from regions. And then I can just hit this little run icon that's right here. Remember, I'm in the design tab, and I just hit the run. And when I get that, I'm going to get this table. Okay, and so when I get this table, I just click on it. All right, and I can just copy it, come over here to Word, and under result, I can just enter it. And then for the query, select star from region. So I basically just gave you the answer to the first one. And the select does not have to be uppercase, lowercase, it doesn't really matter. But that's basically what you need to do. Now, if we go back to our Access application, which is right here, I don't really need this query. If I want to do another SQL, I can just go right back to SQL View, and I can take this one away, and I can write another one. So this is, I'm not going to go into the second one. I'm not going to give you all the answers, but here's just another one. So say I want to get all the countries. I can just go select star from countries. You got to spell it right, like, there we go. All right, and so when I hit run, there they are, okay? And so I basically got all the countries right here. And it's going to put it into a table called query run. You don't really need to worry about that. Just leave it as query 1 and run all your queries this way. Just remember that every time you run a query, it's going to change the view. It's going to go into this design view. And all you need to do is just click down here, click SQL View, and then write your new one. When you're done with everything and you've done all your queries and everything's set, you just close out of Access. It's going to say, do you want to save the changes to design of query 1? Basically, just say no. And that's it. That's all there is to using Access. So the video talks about using Excel, as you know, and once you get through that Excel part, he gets into all the queries you're going to need to write to be able to do this assignment. So the queries really aren't all that hard. Just make sure to watch the video and kind of make notes of the stuff he's doing. Okay, that's it.